Hello everybody, today I am doing a video all about how I have washed my hair with Rhassoul Clay and Seaweed, and I got this idea from Sasha at Balance Beauty Bristol. She did a video a while ago actually about how she washed her hair with Rhassoul Clay. It's one of the first videos I saw of hers, and then she's done an updated one where she did it with Seaweed, and I thought I need to try that and see if I get the same hair. Of course I don't, because I've got totally different curls. I'm not going to get exactly the same hair, but these are the final results. And I had a really fun day today. If you can tell, I'm a little bit animated because I did the Seaweed hair treatment and Rhassoul Clay with my brother and my niece, and it was so much fun. We did it in the garden because I knew it'd be messy. It was just so much fun to do it together with them, so I really hope you like this video of me showing you how we did it, and then at the end I'll tell you how I found it and just give you a bit of a conclusion and a bit more detail. So here we go. We have made the potion and literally just put some of the dried clay, so it's like a powder, in the bottom of here. I literally put in about 3 teaspoonfuls or spoonfuls. It's a really nice spoon my brother made. And then I've put in some seaweed extract, which is basically just you put water on seaweed. This is the seaweed before, and that's the seaweed after. To be honest, I probably should leave it for longer, but basically once it turns a slightly different colour than clear, it's ready to go. And then you just cover what you've put in there with water and then wait for it to turn into like a moussey consistency. So I'm waiting because that's kind of absorbed quite a lot of it already, but we've still got a bit to go. So this is my family. This is my brother and my niece, and we have all brushed our hair ready for this experiment, but we all have pretty much really similar hair. It's all very big and very curly, and you did a really great job of letting me brush your hair. My hair is just so big. Just big. I feel like a 70s dream. So this is the sort of final consistency that I've got. There's still some lumps in there, so I might leave it for a little bit longer. But we're nearly there.
I was going for sort of Wolverine, but then I realised it was too focused to really not just commit. I'll make sure you look cool. Would you want to look cool or do you want to look funny? Or do you want to look both?
Cool.
Well, I don't know about you, but I think I look great. What do you think? It looks real shiny.
Thanks, I think it looks fantastic. My favourite bit about it is it just feels very smooth. Also, my head smells of the seaside.
It just looks so shiny though.
I know. Glossy, like a happy Labrador.
You have to see how it dries, because your hair will dry before both mine and Juliet's.
That's true. Does it just need to dry naturally?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, like I said, these are the final results of the wash. Now, I did use my regular stylist, so I used the Bouclem curl cream and the Bouclem hair gel, and I diffused it because it's just how I roll and I like it like that. But overall, actually, I feel like it's given it a good amount of volume. There's definitely texture in it. It's not soft as normal, but it's definitely clean, like 100% it's clean. And some of the curl definition, I mean, like, look at that one, is so much more perfect than it would ever be. I've even got like a little bit more curl in some of the ones under here, which is kind of amazing. And there's definitely like more conditioner in it. I didn't use a conditioner, I just used the seaweed as the conditioner. And obviously I did use a bit of curl cream, but like a smidgen, as much as I would do normally. But I really feel like it's done good things for my hair. I was really super skeptical when I was doing it though, because it feels so gritty as you're like trying to wash it out, and you have to spend a while just making sure you've actually got it all out. But I do actually really like it. I think next time I use it, because I actually used a whole pack on the three of us, and my brother's got quite short hair, so I probably would use normally half a pack. I think next time I'm gonna have to use a different technique, and just the other way that you can use it is to take a small amount and just rub it into your scalp like you would do shampoo, and then kind of rinse out from there. So not a full all over hair treatment, but as a sort of very once in a while way of like adding in some extra curl definition and just treating your hair well. I really feel like it's a good thing. So I don't know, I still can't quite get over the feel of it. It's very, like, there's definitely something in there. It's definitely like you've been to the beach. So I've used Rhassoul Clay before as a face mask, which you will probably know if you've seen my latest skincare video. And I love it as a face mask, and I put it on Instagram that I loved it as a face mask, and the lovely lady at Natural Spa Supply said, have you tried it as a hair wash? And I messaged her back saying, I haven't tried it as a hair wash yet because I just haven't done it yet. I have intended to, but I haven't done it. And I'd also bought some seaweed, but she was, bless her, she was really sweet enough to send me even more, so I had enough to do my hair, and I'm really glad that she did send me more because I did need more. The great thing about ordering from Natural Spa Supplies is that you get like a ton of information. You not only get all of this, but you get like a huge thing of all the different ways you can use everything. This is the one for the clay, and it tells you all the different ways you can use it, how to prepare it, how to use it as a scrub, how to use it as a deep conditioning treatment, how to use it in your hair, and it tells you a little bit about the clay and where it comes from and all of that kind of jazz. I've got exactly the same one for the seaweed as well. I'm really interested to try using the seaweed actually in my bath as well, because that's a really nice way to use it to just condition your skin as well. I have zero smell of seaweed in my hair. That was the thing I was probably most worried about. I knew it would all wash out eventually, but I was really worried that my hair would smell like seaweed, and it really doesn't. It really just doesn't at all. There is no lingering smell. If anything, actually, I feel like the clay probably has more scent in my hair, which is just funny, perhaps just because it doesn't wash out entirely. I'm going to insert here what my brother thought about the whole process.
So,
all in all, I really enjoyed the experience with the clay and the seaweed, the smell of the ocean. It left my hair feeling really silky, very sort of light, and it's sort of, I think if I'd had straighter hair, it would have gone straighter. I had to put a little bit of coconut oil in to just sort of bring back the curls. It's a bit out of control at the moment because it's so curly. So for short curly hair, it is fantastic.
So as a final conclusion, I probably would do a hair treatment again like that, even though it's half a pack, but I wouldn't do it that frequently because it does make a mess however much you try to make sure it doesn't make a mess, and I'm glad I did it outside. I'm also not a huge fan of covering myself in mud. I know that sounds so stupid, but I really like being and feeling like more clean. So as a like regular thing, it's probably not really for me. I'm also really interested to try using both products in different ways. So using the seaweed in the bath, maybe just using the seaweed hair rinse after my regular shampoo and condition, and also trying just massaging the clay into my scalp and seeing how I get on. So I'll probably give you updates in my Instagram stories on those different bits and bobs and how I'm getting on with things, so do make sure you're following me over on Instagram so you get those updates. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was a fun one for you guys to watch. It was certainly a fun day for us to do that. And if you're new here, please do subscribe. I do lots of different kinds of videos, but head over to my channel and you can check out what kind of videos I do. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.